check.
Loaded.
1, 2. What's up, everybody? Jesse here, the AI Gorilla. Sorry, everything's a mess. Keep your eyes on me, not behind me. We're gonna do we're gonna go see who won, who got the most votes. It's 8 p.m. It's midnight Eastern Standard Time. We are doing the weekly $100 challenge. We're gonna go see who had the most votes. I'm gonna refresh the page, make sure we get the most current data. Refresh. It's refreshed, and boom, we're going to click on the page. We can see the challenge is simple. $100 a week to the winner. My recommendation, post as soon as I post the tournament on Saturday mornings. My recommendation is post your video as soon as possible so you can get the most views. But that's not always who's been winning. So we're going to go see who wins. The first person we have is Don't Talk About It. They got 2 likes. We have, good, Summer Grace. It's the name of this song right here. 2 likes. Cool Hello Easy, Latin song, with 4 likes. Levi Brown won last week. He might win again. Let's see what's happening here. Got Open Call down there doing jobs for me. Oh, we got 4 likes over here with Levi. Oh, Jared's got 3 likes over here. Too Much Woman. We're at 4 likes. That's a lot. That's a good number. Spread out. And, I like this one here. I really like the AI one. And, yeah, so it looks like we got our first back-to-back winner. Looks like Levi's taking it home. Different genres, I think, each week. And, yeah, let's go. I'm going to post this in the school community. I'm going to post this on YouTube. Heck yeah, let's go. If you wonder why people are in the school community, why people are learning from me about AI music and whatnot, it's because I made over $90,000 in less than a year with AI music. And you can go look at my revenue videos, last video I posted, and you can go check out my free courses. All my courses are free. And I walk through the entire process and all of them. You can do the same thing. Not guaranteed. Success is not guaranteed or implied, right? You got to put in the work. You got to double down on good songs. And you got to make good songs. And you got to be patient. So it takes months to see your first dollar sometimes. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm working on some cool stuff in the background. I'm connecting socials. I'm getting I have multiple YouTube channels that are monetized. I'm actually getting content to where I can publish tons daily. So I can publish up to 6 times daily on all these. I'm going to start cranking out content, see what we can do. Yeah, you can see I got messages waiting on me. 2 different open calls running down there, 2 different machines, 21 API keys under one. Yeah, so I got work to do. I got almost 200,000 articles under Grammy Times now. No, we're cranking that away. Go see how many clicks we got. And let me know if you have any questions. If you want to join in this challenge, jump in the challenge. Big congrats, Levi. Back-to-back winner. I'm just going to send you your $100. I have your PayPal. Peace. See, I'm doing some dark blues music and stuff. So let's break down this revenue. I've made almost $80,000. If you want to know how I made this, go watch all my courses. So I'm super tired, right? Sorry. Go watch all my course videos. We're going to go through the revenue real quick, month by month, because I've been asked for this again. And I'm going to post this in the school community as well. Start with May 2025 when I published my first songs. I made $1.38. Published an album. I made that on some sea shanties. Actually, somebody bought my songs on iTunes, and that's how I got paid. And I was like, OMG, this is wild. Let me make some music. June, $75. I doubled down. I was like, let's start publishing music. July. And this is kind of retroactive. When I saw the money, it wasn't this much. 90 days in. This is 4 months in. $187, right? So you got to have some patience. What are we on right now? Or July? August. This is when I seen over $1,000 in a month. I was like, oh, this is wild. It's going to keep going. I'm just heading here at nights just like I am now. Family's sleeping. I'm awake, grinding, trying to get out of the rat race. Boom. September, over 2 G's. I jump on, made a video, like, once I hit $2,000, and I want to say it was actually like November when I really saw this money, because I get paid after this date. This money hits the account, most of this afterwards. It says September, but it pays in like November, and even later sometimes. some of that money, even from like December, etc., after views been verified. So what's that? September, we'll go to October. See $12,000. So what's that? May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months to hit a $10,000 month plus. All right, 6 months. This is still 2 or 3 artists, right? But mostly coming from the main artist. I've been doubling down. We're at over 1,000 songs here under one artist, published to YouTube Music. Okay, not just Spotify, but published everywhere. I know YouTube's buffering people now. And it's buffering me too. November, $20,000 that month, supposedly. I didn't see 20,000 that month. I saw that January, December was my first $20,000 month. So you got to realize some of this money actually hit the bank down here in November, or in December or January. So we'll go to December, 21,000. So we had like $20,000 month that month for sure. Then January says we only did 12,000 that month, and then February says we only did 9,000 that month. But we know that was inaccurate. So something's skewed here because the withdrawals are different. But total withdrawals, 20,000 over 20,000. So streams are down this month. I think we're getting even less, but we're processing right now. So far this month, we've made $10,000 in total payouts. Now, some of these are streams, and this is why it's confusing when you look at it retroactively. Some of these are streams from like September, right? So this money that's in here now is getting put back retroactively when you look at this. So I figured out that's why it's skewed for me, because I'm adding it up. It actually adds up to more money than I have withdrawn and total. And I was like, this money isn't adding up. And but also I don't do public math, so I don't trust my math. This is where we're at this month. Mostly YouTube ads and the majority of the money. And we'll go break down now. You see where I started. And this doesn't mean you're going to be able to have this success. They're like, oh, I can do it. This is what's going to happen. Like, you got to double down. You got to remake your song. You got to like pick your best song and then use it as your inspiration and just make more music. It is about that simple, but you got to listen to it. You got to make sure it sounds okay. And then you got to get it uploaded. And you got to do the work. And you see my first videos, go watch back to my first videos. I'm doing individual WAPs. Now we got software making it fast. Watch all my courses, right? Watch all my course videos, the free course videos. It's literally a playlist of like 11 videos of like my entire process from beginning to end, multiple times in different ways. I even created new artists. I'm not saying they're great, but I created them as examples for you to follow. Not because I'm like, oh, these are going to be the best artists ever, but like as something to show you on exactly how I'm doing this. Apple Music, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, $500. Tidal, right? Just randomly paid me. I think they just started paying me. But here's YouTube ads, YouTube Red, biggest payer. But even right now, you can see that's $79,000, almost $80,000. Unbelievable amount of money, by the way. Is not all YouTube, but at least half. But Spotify pays a lot of it now. It's caught up. It wasn't at first. It was mostly YouTube leading the way, but Spotify just takes a long time to pay. You got some Amazon Pay. And yeah, I'm the most transparent guy on YouTube, so I always think it's funny when people think that I'm not sharing what I'm doing, but I mean, it's my like entire bank here. At the risk of people spamming me, which they do all day, and stealing my accounts and trying to steal my information and directly imitating me. Literally, there's someone out there, they called their artist Velvala Vikings. Like, why would you even use my same name, bro, and try to publish music? I hope you're watching this video. That's messed up, bro. But hope they take down your account for imitation. But yeah. Oh, my other computer's closing. I got mouses. That's all I got. I just wanted to do the breakdown video for everyone. I'm super tired. I'm going to bed after I'm done uploading this album here. And DistroKid helper tool. You know how that works. And all that good stuff. So, yeah. Peace.
Boot up. Load in. Watch this. Yeah. Forget the haters. I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name. I'm getting paid. I build a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters. I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom. That's my race. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate. Yeah, pale kid, small town, dial up dreams. Now my face and they this ain't real rap memes. Cool, keep posting, I need that reach. Every complaint, put a yacht on the beach. You type essays, I type prompts. You burn daylight, I flip fonts. You want real skill, I want real bills. Who you think when the dust all steals? They mad at the source, I'm mad at the bank. Money too loud, can't hear what they think. Every this trash, coming in caps. Turn to a check while you taking your naps. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name, I'm getting paid. I build a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom, that's my race. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate, yeah. Off the hate. You refresh views, I refresh rates. Every new thread just inflates my stakes. In street plans, say it louder, please. Algorithm low when you feed his needs. They say I cheat, I say I scale. You stuck in pride, I'm stuck in mail. They throw bricks, I pave new lanes. You throw fits, I throw champagne. That ain't got rhythm, a suburban sun. Still got more rhythm in my funds. Day one, you can keep score on who's more pure. I'll keep score on who's more secure. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Turn all that talking into upgrade. They write my name, I'm getting paid. I build a gold mine out of they shade. Forget the haters, I'm getting paid. Scroll all that venom, that's my race. Keep running plays on what I made. I'm getting paid. Off the hate, off the hate. Clock tick, screen glow, cold, warm gold, yeah. First revolution had smoke in the sky. Second one living in the back of your mind. Silicone saints put a price on time. New kings coded in the command line. Talk big money, data in the veins. Whole world running on invisible chains. If you don't ride when it gets first grind, you get left in the landfill, lost off the line. Up low fear, down low sands. Every great reset, make a few new kings. Whole net talking about the end isn't near. I just see a new rush when the path gets clear. Let's go, let's go. It's the second revolution. And the clock running down on us quick. Cold math, hot execution. Only got a little time to get rich. See the new guys glow in the service. Everybody praying for a glitch. Second revolution, pressure. Only got a little time to get rich. They train that brain on the tree and lines. Teach you every hustle that we never had time. It don't sleep, it don't blink, it don't dream, it just eat. Every secret that we ever let leak. So why you still scroll like a sheep in the feed? I see tools, you just see memes. I see vault doors cracked at the seams. Yeah. This that land grab what you can. Code turn dust in the digital land. If you still broke when the boss take over, that's on you, not luck, not clover. Move fast or be scrapped for the giants. Every new tyrant start is an appliance. You either build thrones out of art, it's quiet, or end up background noise in the silence. Shh. This the second revolution, and the clock running down on us quick. Cold math, hot execution. Only got a little time to get rich. See the new guys glow in the service. Everybody praying for a glitch. Second revolution, pressure. Only got a little time to get rich. Yeah. Countdown, 10, 9, 8. Every new model raise the stakes. 7, 6, 5. Who gon' really eat? Who barely survive? 4, 3, 2. Only thing stopping this money is you. One last chance at the switch. Second revolution. Get rich or get rich. It's the second revolution. And the clock running down on us quick. Cold math, hot execution. Only got a little time to get rich. See the new guys glow in the service. Everybody praying for glitch. Second revolution. Pressure. Only got a little time to get